Opera is the top genre when you're talking about music, because it doesn't only incorporate music, it incorporates drama, it incorporates stagecraft, it incorporates everything. And this is why it is probably called opera, because it is such a colossal undertaking.
Handel jasal wasla sa Malta permezz tal-opri Belshazzar u Parthenope, żewġ xogħlijiet bi 300 sena ta' storja li qed jittellgħu għall-udjenza Maltija waqt the Three Palaces l-Opera and Music Festival.
The Three Palaces has been running for the last 9-10 years, and what we're doing this year is we are putting in early opera, in other words early opera, Baroque opera. This year we will be presenting 2 works by George Frederick Handel. The first one is Parthenope, which is an opera. We also have one of Handel's great oratorios, Belshazzar. Handel wrote these wonderful oratorios, religious oratorios, which are quite operatic, so therefore they would fit under what I call the early opera umbrella. Parthenope, on the other hand, is an opera all about a mythological princess, one of those wonderful, complicated Baroque plots. Handel was an extraordinary man, born in Germany, studied and worked in Rome in the height of the Baroque period, working for churches in Rome, etc., where he, for instance, he composed his wonderful Dixit Dominus. So he got the Italian influence, the Italian, sort of expansion of Baroque, the exaggeration of Baroque. And then he went to England, and of course suddenly he was employed by the King of England and composed these things like which everybody knows, like the royal fireworks music, like the royal water music, which accompanied the king going down the Thames on a barge. So he was the epitome, if you like, of the most, I suppose, eclectic composer in the 18th century. The performances of Parthenope at Teatro Manuel on the 4th and the 6th of November, and the performance of Belshazzar at St. John's Co-Cathedral is on the 8th of November. And I hope people will come to these very extraordinary, new experiences, because I don't think we have ever had a Handel oratorio of this sort ever performed in Malta. But this is one of these grand potpourris, and you can feel the Italian influence, the German influence. It's very much so. And very, very beautiful virtuoso singing.